How do you foster collaboration in a distributed company? Ultimately, this is all about the tools that you use. When you're on site, collaboration is easy. You get them all in a room and you talk and you have something up on the screen and you all collaborate around a thing. It's really easy. You're all right there and you're all talking. But when you're not, you have to have the right tools to create collaboration. Good video software, whether that be Zoom or Google Hangouts or whatever it is, a good way to have video calls and see people face to face when necessary is important. A good way to manage projects where there's communication and conversations around that stuff. It's not enough just to have a good to-do list. You need to have a place where you can track the to-dos as well as the bigger, broader conversations around the topic. A place where conversation can be both structured and free-form. A lot of people use tools like Slack for communication and maybe Basecamp for project management, or maybe Asana or Monday to track their work. We work towards a more inclusive and more holistic approach of having a single tool where we both manage our project and our communication and our people ops, call it product ops and people ops. How do we use one tool to combine all those things together, and what's the power in doing that? But ultimately, in order to create collaboration, you need better tools and you need people who collaborate, people who can lead the way, who can spur the conversations, who can draw people in. You're going to have people who are quiet, who sit in the back. Even on site in an office, you'll have that person who sits in the back of the boardroom and just stays quiet. So you need good, strong people who pull that person into the conversation and don't just let them sit in the back of the room. Virtually or digitally, it's the same thing. You're going to have conversations. That person is going to be even more silent and easy to be forgotten because you're not staring at them in the back of the room. So now you have to be more intentional to pull that person in and discover what tensions they're feeling and how do you get them a part of the collaboration process.